Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a bonus tip today on CAD drawing and tangential calculations. Joe brought this up in one of the Facebook groups, and so I wanted to just describe how I do tangents. I've started off with a 40-foot diameter circle, and I just drew a random line at a random angle and a random length. Just completely arbitrary. I wanted you to see that it wasn't at a, given 15-degree angle, multiple of 15 or 45 or, specific calculable dimensions, really. And so then I'm going to go into arc, and there are arc creation modes I've got set up in my toolbar here. You can also go into edit arc creation modes. I like this center radius end, so I'm going to click on the center out here at the end of this line and drag it down here. I'm going to hit F10 on my keyboard, but if I do, that stops the recording. So I'm just going to use this toolbar to turn off my angle snaps. So I'm going to draw from the end of this arbitrary line, this endpoint, and just drag it down to where it meets the 40-foot diameter circle and draw that arc. Now I want this arc to extend, so I'm just going to drag this end out like so. Let's go back and turn on angle snaps. Now what if I want, so I know now this arc, and I've dimensioned it 24 foot 5 and 5/16 of an inch, is the radius here at this 57 degree 9-minute 42-second angle. If I want this shape to, let's say, kind of follow this path, and let's say I want it to kind of head off in a straight line from here, how do I get that straight line tangential from here? I'm going to draw a line from the quadrant of this arc straight out. I know for sure that at the quadrant, that angle is tangential. So I'm going to place a point, a temporary point here, and I'm going to choose on my keyboard, rotate, resize about current point. Let's rotate, resize about current point. Let's do a search in the help for that. These are temporary points. Let's see here. You can go to CAD and points and place a point. That's how I just use my toolbar. You need to place this point, not a point marker, because it doesn't work that way. Okay. Edit. Is it under preferences? I'm trying to find where the where this rotate resize is controlled. Without the I've done it so long in the toolbars, that's just, I know where this is. If you find that might be helpful. Moving objects. That's not doing it. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to turn this on by clicking the toolbar right here, rotate, resize about current point, selecting my arc, and that's going to rotate about the center of this arc now. So this will, no matter what angle I change this at, I know it will remain tangential to the arc. I hit Control, that temporarily overrides my angle snap, so I could take it up this way. I could take it down this way. I could rotate it all around, and I know that's constantly tangential to the arc. So let's do it like so. And now I can use this to trim that arc. And I'm going to use this circle to trim the arc on the other side. I'm going to use this arc. Let's say I'm going to use this arc and this line. I could trim it, leave the, I could leave the circle. Let's just do that. I'm going to draw another arc from this center to here and around to the end of the arc, like so. So now that if I delete this circle, you get that path. Let's do this real quick and copy about this. Now you've got a mirrored path. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Take care.